with that, we're going to have another special kind of Alphorn opportunity here. Mickey Van Kappelen has actually created a piece for our club. I was practicing it. We were lucky enough to have Ashley come join our group recently, and luckily she was able to play the Alphorn. How fantastic is that? So we now have two Alphorn players. I do believe there'll be some other Alphorns this evening as well, but now we'd like to present you with our special, what's it, Ensianer? Or just Ensian? Just Ensian. Thank you guys. Thank you guys very much, and thank you for composing that piece for us, Mickey.